Here comes Pelle strutting down the street, wagging that tail, got the world at his feet. Food in his sights, oh, he's on a quest. From ramen to pizza, he loves it best. He's got no shame, no, he's not shy. Big puppy eyes and you can't deny. Just one more bite, he says with a grin. Pelle knows bagging's how you win. Every person's a friend, every heart's a home. He's spreading love wherever he roams. No judgment here, he's living free. Pelle's got a lesson for you and me. Live like Pelle, love like Pelle. See the good in everyone, oh can't you tell? Give big hugs, take lazy naps. Life's too short for stress or traps. Pelle's philosophy is plain to see. He's teaching us how to truly be free. Afternoon sun, it's nap o'clock. A cozy spot, no need for a clock. Dreaming of adventures, dreaming of treats. Wake up smiling, life's so sweet. He's got no worries, no time for hate. Every moment's perfect, every day's great. Pelle's got the secret, he's got the key to living life so happily. Every hug's a treasure, every nap's a gift. Pelle's here to give our hearts a lift. No need to rush, no need to fight. Pelle says just love, it's alright. Live like Pelle, love like Pelle. See the good in everyone, oh can't you tell? Give big hugs, take lazy naps. Life's too short for stress or traps. Pelle's philosophy, it's plain to see. He's teaching us how to truly be free. Oh, if we could see the world through Pelle's eyes. Every moment's magic, every day's a surprise. No judgment, no fear, just love and delight. Pelle's got it right, yeah, he's got it right. Live like Pelle, love like Pelle. See the good in everyone, oh can't you tell? Give big hugs, take lazy naps. Life's too short for stress or traps. Pelle's philosophy, it's plain to see. He's teaching us how to truly be free. So here's to Pelle, our wise little pup, teaching us to love, never to give up. Food, friends, naps, and hugs so tight. Pelle's way of living, it's just so